What's up my beautiful people? My name is Ken Roy and you are tuning to Kennygoodvibestv. Today, in this video, I want to make some KFC, Jamaican style KFC chicken.
Yeah,
I have some chicken that I marinated for like 2 days now. Been sitting in the fridge for 2 days. If you want to know how I make the marinade for this chicken and how I cut up a whole chicken, I'm going to leave a link in the description. So I'm going to open the bag and show you. This is the chicken that has been sitting for 2 days. Look at that, see that? Under the skin, everywhere. It's just sitting in there. See that, look at that. Juicy. I'm gonna put this one side first. So right here I have some flour and I'm gonna season up my flour. This is some garlic powder, about a teaspoon or a little bit over. This is some all-purpose seasoning, right? And this is some black pepper, but a little bit over a teaspoon each. So I'm gonna use a fork to kind of mix that in there. I have a bowl of water here and I also have a strainer. So what I'm gonna do is put the strainer in here like that, and then my chicken, I'm gonna make sure there's no excess juice. Then I'm gonna dip it into the flour like that. I'm gonna do them 2-2. You don't wanna do a whole lot. Make sure there isn't a lot of water. So you go like this. Make sure it's covered. Make sure your whole chicken is covered and then press. Press it like that. At this time, your oil should be way on the way. And then you're gonna knock it off. Make sure you don't put any lump in the water. You go like this, put it in the water. Then you're gonna do the same thing with the drumstick. You go like this. And you don't knock the chicken, you knock your hands like this. Well soak. Then make sure there's no water because you're avoiding from getting a lump into the flour. Then you go back into the flour. Do the same thing. Make sure there's no water. We'll go back into the flour and repeat that same process again. You could have used egg wash, but I'm choosing to use some water. And this is ready now for my oil. Alright, that is phase 1. Look like we're getting somewhere. Let's go to phase 2. So here we go guys, oil hot and ready. Woo. Look at that. Careful how high you turn that stove. So my chicken is in and we are trying to get that KFC crust. So what I'm gonna do is cover it a little so the heat will run through. In the first 10 minutes I do not move them because I want that crust to build up. As you can see, the crust is building up around them. So you take time and shift them, make sure nobody's stuck in together. Cover that back and you can check on it in a couple minutes. Yes guys, coming along KFC style, you know. Since you're doing this in a Dutch pot, you want to turn them down if you stay on one side. Take time with that. Coming along, KFC, where are you? As you can see, and I feel that the weight has changed in the chicken, in the drumstick. The weight has changed, it gets a little bit lighter, so now I know that they're there. KFC can't talk to us. Alright, my beautiful people, I think we have made it. So, to avoid excess oil, you put a piece of napkin in whatever you're gonna put your chicken in when you take it out of the oil right away. Okay? So here I have a glass bowl with a piece of napkin in there. We have come to the end of another video. Let's check out the finishing product, guys. I'm telling you, this chicken looks so delicious right now. Just look at that. KFC. You can't talk to me, KFC. KFC, you can't talk to me. Fry right down to the bone.